In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Trello with your Outlook calendar. This process will seamlessly bring together your Trello tasks with your Outlook calendar events, allowing you to manage your schedule more effectively. Whether you're using Trello for project management or personal task tracking, integrating it with Outlook ensures that everything you need to keep track of is in one convenient place. First, head over to Trello.com and click the Login button located in the upper right corner. This is your gateway to accessing all your boards and cards. If you don't have an account, you can create one, but assuming you do, choose the method that suits you best to log in. You can use Google, Microsoft, Apple, Slack, or simply your email address. This flexibility ensures that whatever account you prefer, you can still access your Trello board seamlessly. For those using Microsoft Outlook in a Windows environment, good news, you can integrate your Trello board calendars with Outlook. This integration provides the convenience of viewing your Trello cards alongside Outlook's calendar events. Now let's get started with how to set this up. Once you're logged into Trello, go into the specific board you wish to sync, look for the calendar view toggle. It's a handy feature that visualizes all your cards with due dates on a calendar. Click on the view switcher, which you'll find at the top left of your board. This is a little chevron icon. Select it and then choose the calendar option. This action will enable calendar view on your Trello board. Now to sync this with your personal calendar like Outlook, you'll notice a sync to personal calendar option on the top right corner of calendar view. Before doing anything else, you'll see that the URL is disabled. To enable it, click on the three-dot menu next to URL disabled and choose enable. This step is crucial as it gives you the URL needed for syncing. After enabling the URL, you need to copy it. Simply click on the copy button that appears once the URL is generated. This URL is what you'll use to integrate your Trello calendar with Outlook. By following these steps, you'll have effortlessly synced your Trello boards with your Outlook calendar. Now all your tasks and meetings are consolidated into one streamlined calendar view, making your planning process smoother and more efficient. With this integration in place, say goodbye to the hassle of switching between applications. Everything you need is now accessible from one place, keeping you organized and on top of your responsibilities. Thank you for watching, and happy planning.